Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you best tips to save mobile data or Wi-Fi usage in your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to apps that you mostly use internet with on your phone. So like for instance, I'm going to use Instagram right here. So what we want to do here is to simply click and hold down on the app. Then this information here is going to pump up. What we need to do here is to go to app info. Then it's going to take us right here. The next thing we want to do is to go to mobile data and Wi-Fi. That's going to take us right here. As you can see, background data. Enable usage of mobile data in the background is enabled. What we want to do right here is to make sure that we disable it. So for us to do that, simply turn off this. And with that, you are going to use less data. You are going to save a lot of mobile data on your phone. So you can go back here and go back to another apps. Like for instance, Facebook here also, I'm going to simply click and hold down. Then I will simply go to app info. Then I will go to mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then I'm going to turn it off as well. You can go on and do it as many as possible apps that you use mostly with internet. And with that, you are going to save a lot of mobile data network. We are going to save a lot of mobile data in your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.